good, guys? So I'm doing a bunch of errands real quick. I'm gonna pick up some like muffler quick weld filler hole thing. I don't even know. It's really cheap. It's like $4 at AutoZone. I want to see if it works. Gonna hit the bank and get another key cut for this thing. Holy shit! Forgot how to drive. But let's get today rolling. As much as I hate AutoZone parts, it's convenient to just come here and pick shit up. Can't lie. But let's see if they got that 3M window. I literally can't believe it that AutoZone, out of all places, has the 3M window weld. I'm gonna use this to fix the rear diff bushings. Well, I guess it's gonna be a temporary fix, but I mean, it was a little expensive, 30 bucks online. You could get it for like $20. But I've ran into like multiple problems with eBay. I did 2 orders, none of them shipped. I don't know why. And usually everything I do on eBay is like straightforward and easy. So whatever it is, that's not gonna be today though. I'm gonna do that another day. It's gonna take a little bit. I gotta like refix some of the stuff my buddy did, Warren. But no big deal. And yeah, so let's go back. Let's try this exhaust muffler stuff, and let's get going. So this is the stuff called Muffler Weld. You could put it in like little pinholes to seal there. I'm gonna see how it works. I got rubber gloves. I'm gonna throw this on, but before I start that, I'm putting this stuff called core seal on the exhaust where we welded. It's holding up good after about a week, so I'm gonna put that on, fill up the hole, see if it makes a difference. So first step, I'm going to put the core seal on all the rust that's down here, and then I'm gonna paint it with the primer. So all that right there, all where the weld points are, just so they don't rust quicker over time. So that's step one. I put the first and only layer of core seal all over the exhaust. I'm just gonna leave that. Next I'm gonna put actually the muffler weld on, because there's a bunch of pinholes. This should fill all of them up, and then once this dries, it says it dries pretty quick, so once this dries, I'm just gonna blast it with some paint primer, put like 2 or 3 coats on it, and that's it. I mean, hopefully this stuff works. We'll find out. Do before and after. I'll show you where some of the leaks are too. Alright guys, so the car is running. To show you, alright, well there's a bunch of pinholes up in here. We have a whole bunch of holes right over here. You kind of see it. We literally have a massive hole right here. Look at that. You literally see it flying out. And I'm pretty sure down there it's actually pretty good, but I'm gonna put the exhaust weld all over this stuff. So I'm gonna apply the first coat, and let's see how it comes out. I'm actually gonna turn the car off. I'm just having it running so you guys can see. And there's also some pinholes on the other side. But let's see how it goes. It was like $3 or $4 at AutoZone. Probably get it cheaper online. I'm pretty sure it's just like a JB weld. But yeah, so I'm gonna open it up and get going. So with this, it says to make sure you wear gloves, because if you get it in your eyes, it will potentially burn them, or I don't know, who cares, who knows, but you know, typical warning signs. Yeah, so this stuff looks just like a JB weld. Some sunlight on it, and yeah, I'm gonna apply the first coat. All right, so I'm gonna use my left hand so I can still film this for you guys. But you can see, so I'm gonna do the rest of this and turn the camera off, but just so you have a general idea, and I'll show you after I put the first coat on. Alright guys, so the first layer is on. I literally drenched every single thing. Put the first coat on pretty thick. It's probably gonna take a little bit to dry, but it's all good. So you can see, and then I coated that whole thing because it was actually getting rusty. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, and we'll see how it comes out in like 20-30 minutes. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna send it, give it a test run, see if the stuff works. I kind of have my doubts, but we'll see. This one looks good. Oof. Oof. Yeah, so I mean, clearly it didn't work. Look at that. That was definitely filled before, so. Oh, I think there's another one. Ooh. Oh yeah, you hear that? Ridiculous. Alright, so yeah, I guess this is an epic fail. Clearly. So yeah, I guess your best bet, stick to JB Weld. They're actually welded right from the beginning. But thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Probably gonna JB Weld it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.